waa qaybteennii buugga New Concept English Practice and Progress. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to English with Susman Official Channel. Passage 44 sheekadii 44 ee buugga New Concept English Practice and Progress. Waxaa ciwaankanaga cashirkan Through the Forest. Through waa wax la dhex marayo. The forest keenta waa dhexdeeda ama dusideeda marka la dhex marayo. Through the forest waa keenta dhexdeeda. Mrs. Anne Sterling did not think of ma aysan ka fikirin the risk halista ama khatarta she was taking ay qaadanaysay when goortii she ran through ay ku carartay ama ku dhex carartay a forest cane after two men laba nin gadaashooday ka daba carartay. They had rushed up way kusoo degdegeen to her ayada while goortii she was having a picnic ay dalxiis ku yeelanaysay at the edge of a forest waa keenta qarkeeda ama boundary lineka meesha ugu dambeysa ee keenta with her children ee caruurteeda la yeelanaysay. Anne tried waxayna isku dayeen to steal inay xadaan her handbag boorsadeeda. In the struggle halganka the strap broke suunkii ayaa go-ay and with the bag boorsadii in their position controlka ay ku controlayeen ay markaas waxyaabaha ayada leh ay ku jireen ay controlinaysay their position. Both men labadii nin started waxay bilaabeen running through inay ku dhex cararaan the trees geedihii. Mrs. Sterling got so angry aad ayay u carootay that she ran after ay kaga daba carartay them ayaga ka daba carartay. She was soon out of breath si dhaqsi leh ayay waxay ugu baxday neeftii. She was soon out of breath but laakiin she continued way sii waday to run inay orodo ay sii wadatay. When she caught up with them markii ay la qabsatay ama ay gaartay ayaga she saw waxay aragtay that they had sat down inay fadhiisteen and were going through ayna baarayeen the contents waxyaabaha ay ka koobnaayeen of the bag boorsada wixii ku jiro ka koobnaa. So she ran straight at them ayagay toos ugu soo carartay. The men got such a fright waa ay baqeen that they dropped ay tuureen the bag boorsadii and ran away ayna carareen. The strap suunkii needs wuxuu u baahan yahay mending dayactir said waxaa tiri Mrs. Sterling later goor dambe. But they did not steal anything laakiin waxba ma aysan xadin. Comprehension waa fahankan praises dulucda kooban. Answer ka jawaab these questions su'aalooyinkani not more than aanan ka badnayn 70 words 70 eray. How many men imisa rag ah tried ayaa isku dayay to steal inay xadaan Mrs. Sterling's handbag Mrs. Sterling boorsadeeda. What was she doing maxay sameynaysay at that time waqtigaas. Did they take the bag ma qaateen boorsadii after a struggle halgan kadib or not. Where did they run xaggee bay u carareen. Did she run after them ka daba carartay ayaga or not. Did she catch up with them miyay la qabsatay or not mise ma aysan la qabsan. Had the men ragga sat down ma fadhiisteen or not mise ma aysan fadhiisan. What were they doing maxay sameynayeen. What did Mrs. Sterling do maxay samaysay. What did they do maxay sameeyeen ayagii. Step up your speaking power. Step up your pronunciation. Passage 44 Through the Forest. Mizani Sterling did not think of the risk she was taking when she ran through a forest after two men. They had rushed up to her while she was having a picnic at the edge of a forest with her children and tried to steal her handbag. In the struggle, the strap broke, and with the bag in that position, both men started running through the trees. Mrs. Sterling got so angry that she ran after them. She was soon out of breath, but she continued to run. When she caught up with them, she saw that they had sat down and were going through the contents of the bag. So she ran straight at them. The men got such a fright that they dropped the bag and ran away. The strap needs mending, said Mrs. Sterling later, but they did not steal anything. Comprehension and praises answer this question is in not more than 70 words. How many men tried to steal Mrs. Sterling's handbag? What was she doing at the time? Did they take the bag after a struggle or not? Where did they run? Did she run after them or not? Did she catch up with them or not? Had the men sat down or not? What were they doing? What did Mr. Sterling do? What did they do? Thanks.